Hi, it's Sarah from South Fayette Township Library. Happy National Library Week. Libraries offer so many different interesting and educational programs for children and for adults. I wanted to highlight the variety of programs that we offer for adults, along with wonderful book discussion groups, history talks, and author talks. We've had Tai Chi, meditation, estate planning, decluttering, Pasenki egg decorating, wills and estate planning. We've had learn to knit, flower arranging, and many more. Every week we have a Scrabble group on Mondays. We have Tuesday night coloring for adults, and we have Friday afternoon movie matinees. One of our staff members, Lynn Cochran, teaches Pilates every Monday night at Bridgeville Library. One of our most popular programs has been cooking. We've had Indian cooking, Colombian cooking, we've had sushi making, and pierogi making. And today I'd like to share with you the recipe for a simple rub that you can use on chicken breasts. My husband found this recipe on Cafe Delights, and we really liked it. It's called Juicy Oven Baked Chicken Breasts. You'll need to preheat your oven to 425 degrees and spray a baking pan with Pam. And here's the rub. You're going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and some freshly ground black pepper. Mix that up. And here's your rub. You'll take your 4 chicken breasts and drizzle them with olive oil, and then coat them with this rub. So now my chicken breasts are cooked, and I melted 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 clove of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes together. And you can melt that in a saute pan or put it right in the microwave oven. Next, I added some water to my pan drippings and scraped them up. And I mixed my garlic, parsley, and butter with the scrapings to create a nice pan sauce. And all I have to do is pour it right over the chicken breast and we're done. Looks great, right? Smells terrific. Thank you for watching. Please stay well.